They keep talking about this thing called chat, saying it helps with this and that. Grandkids say you should try it too. You smile like, maybe I do. You hit the button, look at the page. Small letters, white screen, filling your age. You say, now where do I even begin? There's a little lesson made just for you, friend. It ain't about being fancy, it ain't about sounding smart. You already know how to talk, that's the hardest part. Just talk to the screen like you talk to me. Plain old words, nice and easy. There's a lesson called your new best friend. It walks right with you from start to end. No rushing, no big confusion, no feeling left behind. One simple lesson is all it takes, and you take it one step at a time. It can help with letters, bills and plans. Fix that message you don't understand. Church flyers, birthdays, what to say. Even help you plan your day. Folks make it sound so complicated, like it's only for the young and educated. But slow it down, let me be clear. This thing works, I'm so sincere. No buttons you gotta memorize, no trick words you gotta say. If you can ask a question out loud, you already halfway. Just talk to the screen like you talk to me. Plain old words, nice and easy. They call it your new best friend, cause it sits right with you till it all makes sense. No pressure, no embarrassment, no, I should know this by now. One simple lesson opens the door, and look at you learning now. You ask it once, then twice again. Next thing you know, you got a new best friend. Hold on, let me show you how. One small lesson, one little shift. Next thing you know,